hopefully you can see these guys. It's yet another early one. It is 3:56 a.m. and a couple more well, I say a couple, a fair few commercial jobs today, small commercial jobs. The usual story, bang them out by 8 o'clock and then on to your domestics. There's 4 here. Some are just bottoms, some are top sand bottoms. The ones that are top sand bottoms are 35 quid. They take about 20 minutes. And the ones that are just the bottoms are 20 quid and take about 10 minutes. I'll just walk you around the backs now. And I forgot to say, they're wash jobs. I squeegee the doors, usual for, oh, wrong way, buddy. Right, a little bit tight down this one, but still no problems really. There we go. Looks high at this angle, but it's not. It's only 1 story, first floor, ground floor, first floor. So yeah, little pole wash jobs. So the units that are top and bottom 35, they take 20 minutes. The units that are just the bottoms take 10 minutes. Right, on to the next jobs this morning. I do 3 here, but just 2 today are due up. So you've got what you can see here. There's a little door configuration there with black painted timber around it. Everything's a wash job, so you've got those 5 windows or panes of glass to the top, 3 at the bottom, and the little door configuration there. You've got this little box bay, 4 windows at the bottom, 2 to the left of the box bay. Then you're round to the back and you've got 5 panes of glass at the top, so 3 there, 2 to the right, and 5 panes at the bottom, 2 little ones and 3 bigger ones. These are 30-minute jobs and they are £40 each. They're done monthly on the outside, but this one on the inside, quarterly, is done inside and out. And it is £80, takes about, it's about an hour. Takes about an hour, this one, inside and out, £80. And this one this is actually the last little commercial job this morning, then I'll be on domestics. You've got this here, and the top I wash and the bottom I squeegee. It doesn't wash up very well, the bottom. And then round here, just got this little one I wash. 20 minutes, £25. Hear the birds singing, and that's what I love about the early mornings. Going around, just nature. Awesome. Fully out. So that is that, all done. The commercial work's finished. 8 AM, £215, 3 hours 15 minutes, just over £66 an hour. That's what it's all about. That's the power of the early starts with the small commercial, and then bang out your domestic after that. And this is why I get so excited about it. I mean, you need no qualifications, you know. This is just with a good work ethic, bags of common sense, and you get out there. There's no college needed, there's no university needed, no qualifications apart from a driving license, you know, and then the balls to go out there and do it. So just believe in yourselves. Just get out there, start knocking on doors, put together a business plan for yourselves and crack on with it. And then start investing. Open yourselves up a Hargreaves Lansdown account and start investing 10% of your profits, you know, that you're going to be making. And if you do this from a young enough age, it's guaranteed financial success. It is guaranteed, nailed on. You know, you ride, because you've got time over on your hands. You'll ride out all the wobbly bits, and you'll come out of it at the end with a huge amount in investments, a cracking little business that you can franchise out or sell on. So this is why I get so excited about what I do. You know, and this is why I want to pass it on to you guys, how good it can be when you structure it, work really hard, and just get it done and get out there and just have a go. Ignore people that are going to slag you off and take the piss out of you and pull you down to try and drag you back down to their level. Be single-minded about what you want to do. You want to start a little business for yourself and you want to get into investing. Just do it. Just do it. And any questions, just put them in the comments box below and I'll come straight back to you with any questions. Anyway, it's a lovely sunny day now. Bullies in a t-shirt. Bully out.